It's been a little over a year since I started my stock market investment series. You guys know the shares to buy today videos is what I'm talking about, where each and every month I talk about a stock that I believe holds a lot of potential investing in. Shares to buy today in March, April, May, June and July in September. October's shares to buy now is for stock, and so I thought it would be a really good idea to show you guys where these stocks are right now, compared to when I mentioned them initially in each and every one of those videos. So in other words, if you theoretically had invested then, would you have made money right now, or would you be down? And for the masses out there, I can comfortably say that you would be richer right now if you had invested in those stocks when I initially made those videos back then. And that's actually crazy when you think about it. It beats any savings account by a long mile. So before you guys decide putting your money in a savings account, exposing yourself to the banks, I want you guys to watch this full video. But first, I have to do the YouTube stuff. I have a goal, people, and it's to reach as many people out there as possible and improve their financial situation by inspiring them and showing them what other avenues of investing they have in front of them. But for me to get to that goal, I need your assistance, people, and I need it big time by liking this video, sharing it too, and subscribing and notification bell as well. So straight onto it, here's the performance table of the stocks that made my shares to buy videos in the last 13 months. The red bar shows the stocks that have declined and gone down in share price now compared to the price that I mentioned in the stock video that I released for that relative month. Whilst the green bars, as you guys can imagine, shows the stocks that have seen their share prices grow more than what they were back then when I released the video for that relative month. So these are the stocks that would have made you profit since I last talked about them. And as you guys can see, just shy of 65% of stocks that I've had to mention each and every one of those months would have made people wealthier if they invested in them at that moment of time. It's crazy when you think about just how much wealth some of these stocks would have built for you. I mean, just look at Softcat PLC and Way Education for that. And this was the very reason why I made this stock market investment series, guys, is to show you that yes, it is possible to build wealth. You just need to be looking for the right types of investments to do that. Now, I know the pessimistic people out there will be saying, what about the other 35%? They've gone down in value. And that is absolutely true. And my response to that type of person is, look at how much they've gone down by. On average, the majority of those type of stocks have gone down by 10 to 14%, And when it comes to stocks in the stock market, they don't rise in a straight line, people. They're filled with peaks and troughs as they go upwards. I used to say that this might not be a trough in that graph. I personally believe this is just a stage of investing. You have to get used to it, but only if you know that that stock is a good investment. And on top of that, when you sit down and think about that, a lot of the stocks that have actually have dipped in the last 5 months. That's when I've released them. So they're relatively recent stocks that have made my shares to buy today videos. It makes a lot of sense. We haven't even given a lot of those stocks that have dipped an opportunity to rise by giving them sufficient time. We used to say that they can't offer more as we give them more time. Altogether, I think I achieved my objective that I set out a year ago. It was to show you guys that it's possible to make money when it comes to investing. The key part is just you knowing what to look for. Oh, and don't forget that this is just based on share price, guys. I've not included for dividends, which is basically free money that a company gives to you for being an investor in that stock. So of course, when you include for this too, for some of the stocks that might offer dividends, you guys can see that it will definitely improve the figures than what you see right now. For the people that are watching this video and they're kicking themselves, you guys know who you are because you've been watching my shares to buy today videos, over a year ago, and you've not taken action. I want you guys to know that that's a good emotion that you're feeling right now because it shows a burning hunger to want to build wealth for yourself. Our only key part now, guys, is that those people, you need to take action. Investing doesn't wait for anyone. It's up to the person to make that opportunity happen. But enough of all that, it's time to wrap things up. I hope I've shown you guys that yes, it's possible to build wealth, but at the same time, I want you guys to know how much effort I put into finding these stocks for you, and clearly it's bearing fruit, which I'm happy about. But now I need you guys to help me out there by liking this video, sharing it too, and subscribing with the notification bell on as well. It's your favorite YouTuber, DSL Finance, sharing my thoughts and my experiences every Sunday at 3 p.m. Have a great day, people. Bye.
Whoa.